Pero kami, tatlo kasi yung... Hala.
They greeted you first, they don't know I'm here.
Kami. What is the bip bip?
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Hi guys, today's Monday. Iwan ko na lang guys. Wala pa si Tami dito. Monday, nakaligo na ako. So, pupunta ako ngayon sa Walmart. Bibili ako ng pagkain ng aso. Maghanap ako ng nightgown guys. Kasi palagi akong sinasabihan ni Tami na wala ka bang ano? Parang pang ano ba? Pang nightgown ba? Pajama nga. Terno. Yung dalawa talaga, 2-piece up and down. Wala talaga ako guys. Kasi hindi din ako mahilig kasi kung ano yung suot ko, yun yung ihiga ko. So, yun, ganyan ako. So, sobrang init daw doon sa bahay. 90 degree daw pagdating niya kasi yung AC is hindi na talaga gumagana doon. Sobrang old na yung house. Guys, over 100 years na yung bahay na yun. Yun, no, nakatira si Bianan doon. Bata pa sila yung bagong kasal. Plus, the previous owner pa noon. So, sobrang lagi, 100 years na yung bahay na yun. Over at, I think. And... I think he's here. Dada's here. Grandma. Dada's grandma. Aray, ginoo ko. No. Ginoo ko pag makahilak tong dalawa. Karating na ako guys. Hindi ako makapagkat ng grass kasi uulan, look. Hindi ko na ipakita sa inyo kung ano yung nabili ko, pero meron akong konting, alam nyo naman yung mga nabili ko doon, mga pagkain ng aso, mga anik-anik. So, yung nabili ko is nakahanap ako ng pajama. Ano siya, black na may puti-puti ito. Meron silang kakaibang color doon. Ayaw ko naman, grabe yung color na yun. Makakahagardo. Hindi. Ito yun, pajama. Isa lang. And bumili ako ng Huggies wipe. Ito yung gamit ko na sa bathroom. Yun. Wipe. Ano siya. And bumili ako ng jeans. Meron ako nakikita mga magagandang color doon. So, matagal ako nagtingin-tingin. Kaso, ito lang talaga yung nagustuhan ko. I mean, gustong-gusto ko yung iba. Kaso lang, tinatry ko guys sa fitting room. Oh my God, ang pangit. Kasi, basta, ito siya. Kinuha ko to kasi meron na akong ganitong style. At saka ito naman ibang color. So, yun. Kaya, yun yung binili ko. And also, ano pa ba yung nabili ko? Yung sa bathroom scented namin, bumili ako isa. Kasi baka matapos yun. Ibang scent. Ano siya? Mandarin and sweet tangerine fragrance. And also, yung gustong-gusto ko talaga na mask. Yan o, 250. Ito, coffee and coconut oil. 3 yung binili ko. And pads. Yun lang. So, yun lang yung nabili ko. And, yun, ilagay natin ito dito. Nadagdagan na yung mask natin. Yun. And, yan. Tinawagan ko si Tami. Alam nyo ba? Akala ko, papuntan, malapit na sila dito. Ang problema, sabi pa ni Tami. Yung tumawag ako kanina, sabi niya, nandun sa bathroom yung ina niya. Pumunta sa bathroom. Hanggang ngayon na sa bathroom pa. For 2 hours. Hindi pa daw lumabas sa bathroom. 2 o'clock na. And, ewan ko na. Umulan na din. Umulan sa wakas. Kalukas. Sabi ko, knock the door. Baka anong nangyari na? Kinausap daw niya. Okay man daw. Pero ba't hindi pa lumabas? Kaluka talaga. Lumakas yung ulan. Tignan nyo naman. Gawa tayo ng egg salad. Okay? Egg salad tayo. Ganito yung mag-egg salad sila guys. Hindi naman ako sanay mag-egg salad. Pero kakain lang ako ng isang egg kasi gutom na ako. Ano ng oras? Almost 3 o'clock. Gutom. Sarap ng itlog ba gutom. Wala, ang lakas ng ulan, Ginoo ko, Lord. Wala ako pang squeeze ng egg. So ngayon, mano-mano tayo. Ang lakas ng ulan, Ginoo ko. Ang hirap pa naman i-ano tong egg. Yung parang i-mix lahat ba? Ito yung ginagawa ni Biyanan palagi kapag pag gutom siya. Kasi noon guys, maggawa na siya na naalala ko noon magluluto yun. Siya yung gumagawa ng lunch niya, yun. Ngayon, hindi na talaga guys, kahit inom ng tubig, nahirapan na. Egg salad. Ang gagawin nyo is mustard. Kahit wala ng mustard, mayonnaise. Ano lang tayo, yung parang dahan-dahan kasi walang measurement. Nasa inyo na yun kung anong klaseng yung basa. Basa ba? Yung ganun ba? Lagyan natin ng konting Tumawag si Tami. Ngayon pa daw sila umalis. Itong paper. Walang salt. I think yun lang. Maganda din ito pag may parsley. Wala, parang nadamihan ko ata yung I-sandwich nyo ito. Yung sa sandwich, sa pan, sa sliced bread. Yun, masarap ito. Alam nyo kung ano yung bread gamitin ko dito? Hawaiian bread. Hawaiian bread yung gamitin ko. Alam nyo, nagpapasalamat talaga ako na meron kaming garage. Kasi, kapag wala kaming garage, basang-basa. O ngayon, kapag pumunta si Biyanan dito, umuulan ngayon, sobrang ulan, and then lalabas sa sasakyan, punta pa dun sa front. Ang layo kasi sa garage, ang layo kasi sa driveway, din papunta pa sa front. Parang malayo yung, malayo sila. So, parang basang-basa talaga. Buti na lang talaga may garage. Pero kami, tatlo kasi yung, narinig nyo yan, guys? That's a thunder, guys. That's a really bad lightning. I-off ko lang yung TV, guys, ha. Somebody's afraid. Somebody's afraid. Tignan nyo naman. Takot yan. Takot. Takot. Takot yan sila, guys. Takot yan sila. Takot din ako. Ang lakas kasi ng ulan, guys. Uy, grabe. Nasa kitchen tayo ngayon. Si Roxy, guys. Narinig nila yung garage door umopen. Si Roxy, takbo. Takbo. Ang bilis tumakbo. Alam nyo naman yung sahig namin dito. Tumakbo. Gusto niyang mag-break kasi ang katawan niya mapunta doon sa ulan na yun. Nag-break siya. Nag-slide siya. Na-slide si Roxy pag-break. Oh, dito, guys. Slide. Kaloka naman to. Hey, no crying. Dada's here. Oh, yeah. Okay, grandma's here too. No, you cannot go out there. Late grandma. Late grandma. Come here, let's go here. Right here. Come here. Right here. Come here. I have Bumsy here. Come here, let's go get some Bumsy. Come here, Dila. Come here, Bumsy. Right here. Ayaw makinig. Come here. Come here. No. Roxy, come here. Come. Okay. Right here. Come here. Let's go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Come here. Bye. Come here. Misty, come here. Bye-bye. Roxy. Aduh, Ginoo ko. Come here. Come here. Hello. Don't cry like that. Kino-close ko, guys, para yung mother-in-law ko makaano, hala. Gusto nilang i-open, hala. Para yung biyanan ko makasaka sa hagdan. Hello. Dalawa, uy. Tignan nyo yung ikog nila, guys. yung ikog nila. Yung buntot pala, buntot. Nag-appear, oh, yung buntot nila, guys. Lumakas. Roxy's butt.
Crazy kid. Crazy kid.
They greeted you first, they don't know I'm here.
They do that. They're trying to find a way around you. Fastest walker.
Doon kami kumain na, guys, kasi hindi makaabot si Bianan dito. Ang taas na kasi dito, look. So, doon na yung nag-lunch. Everything is wet. Hala, I'm gonna close the whole door. Watch out her because she will freak out, okay? Yung isa doon. Ayaw lumabas. Ayaw lumabas ni Mystica. Mystica! Somebody's coming. Hello. Your sister's not here. It's outside. Do you wanna go out? Tush, give me your paw. Good girl. Give me your paw, babe. Give me your paw. Oh, good girl. Give me your paw. Good girl. Give me another paw. Good girl. What a good girl, Meets. Good girl, Meaty. Maulan-ulan na panahon. Hi, baby boy. They're so thirsty. Hummingbird finished all the liquid seasoning. Liquid sugar seasoning. I really thought there's a lot more snake downstairs. Okay?
You thought there's a lot more snakes?
Yeah.
You think there's a lot more snakes?
Because of what happened of that thing. It's like get separated. It's not easy to get separated, honey, if it's that light, if it's mouse, mice, whatever. Look at this guy. This is what you like, huh, Thunder? And this is me and Roxy doesn't like. Roxy and I doesn't like this, huh? And it's getting darker, guys. I was planning of cutting the grass and then look what happened.
Cool it off then.
Is it raining up there? Down there?
Maybe now.
Look at this one right here. You nervous? Are you nervous? Matakotin. Nagmana sa akin si Roxy. You get your nervousness from me. Nandito ako sa taas, guys, kasi nag-ano ako ng laptop. Gumagawa ako ng mga title kasi kagabi, ang ginagawa ko kagabi is gumagawa ng mga thumbnails. 3 video yung nagawan ko ng thumbnails kasi alam na meron akong mga videos na dapat kong mag-screenshot and then yung laptop ko pala is sobrang punong-puno na. So, kailangan kong tinatransfer ko dito after yung video na yan nagawa na ng thumbnail. So, yun. Anyway, so yun. Balik lang tayo sa baba later. Si Bianan pagod. Nakarating sila dito. Sobrang pagod nila. Nakatulog sila. Ngayon, I think lumabas si Tami. Gumawa lang din si Tami ng yung pagkain ng hummingbird. Okay, nakatapos ako ng isa. And then, balik tayo sa baba kasi, andito si Tamimo yan. Guys, gusto nyo akong, guys, balik mag-record. Hindi naman magaling yung boses ko, pero gusto kong magkanta-kanta. Gusto kong maggawa ng video na magkanta-kanta ako. Gawa tayo ng vinegar with, ginger ale. Ginger ale at lemon. Oh, Misty, Roxy.
Yeah, both of them. Grab thunder and they both bounce.
You don't like the thunder. Takot na takot yung dalawa thunder, guys. Did you put water already?
It's in the freezer.
Oh, I don't see color over there. Did you put...
I put a little color in. You want to take a look at that thing?
Okay, then I guess I have to stop what I'm doing, guys, because...
Oh, what are you doing? It's better that way. Come on.
He's going to show you what he got. Where is my sleeper? It's right here. Hold on. The same thing product again. It's electric.
Oh, electric.
4-cycle. What is the difference with 2-cycle and 4-cycle?
2-cycle, you have to mix oil into the gas.
Mix oil into the gas?
Right.
That's what happened to the other one. It doesn't work.
Well, you have to mix the oil in it. This one you can just put regular straight gas in it.
I hope I won't ruin it. I don't really actually ruin it, guys. It just happened.
Yes, guys, you did ruin it.
No, it's just happened that
Ruin
the turning string, it's like ruining it. It's like
You ruined it, guys.
look at guys, he kept leaving me. She broke it.
Broke it.
Country road, take me home. I belong up to the place I belong, West Virginia, Mountain Mama. Take me home. Home. Han, that's a nice jeans, Han. Where did you get it?
They're the ones you basically forgetting over the tractor supply.
Oh, that's the expensive shit? The 40 bucks?
Yeah, but they're worth it.
Huh?
But they're worth it.
Is it fit good on you?
Yeah.
Guys, pinakita lang ni Tami yung binili niya para sa... Ako kasi yung gardener niya. Wala siyang ibang gardener kundi ako. Mahirap po daw. Daming mga buti pa magbayad ka ng tao. Pero din, kung magbayad ka ng tao din, 200 din monthly. Monthly yan. Magbayad ka. Ano lang, monthly sa summer. Pag winter, wala naman kang bayaran. Mga ilang, ano lang, buwan ata. Hey, if you pay, what is that?
My shoes.
If you pay monthly for the gardener, how many months in summer that you have to pay? I'm curious.
Well, starts usually April, and then it's October.
April?
May, June, July, September, October, so it's 6 months.
6 months?
Yeah.
It will, you know, sometimes you're still cutting January, hun.
Yeah, well, they don't.
Ilagay ko siya dito. Tingnan natin guys kung magkasya ba itong mga kinakat ko. Look. I'm making vinegar, hun, with the already mixed with what I usually mix. Han, I wish I have. Han, can you buy a big version of this?
What do you mean?
Like not too big.
The
like
jar?
yeah, it's like this big,
Kind of, I guess.
Kahit hard head, kahit hard, even his hard head. Okay,
And it hangs off here. To hold the weight.
Okay.
Yes. So you're not the belt digging into your neck and shoulder, you have the pad.
Okay. The same thing with the other one that I don't use.
Yeah, but because the other one was not as convenient either.
The other one will buy more.
So yes, you forgot.
I don't.
Yes,
I
you
look.
forgot.
No, I look over there,
Mm-hmm.
and
And they didn't have scissors in Walmart.
they have, but I don't want to buy, hun, because I remember we have a lot over there. You just don't want to bring one.
You remind me after I'm driving.
Huh?
You remind me when I'm driving.
Well, I told you before.
Here's the deal.
What's the deal?
If this fits on it, it says right on it, but who knows? Okay?
What's the deal?
I'm showing you. If it fits.
Huh? If it fits,
If it fits. Push this through.
you're wasting a thing. You're wasting it.
What do you mean?
You make it smaller. You're wasting the size. That's not the size. That's a really small string you're doing. Because I use vinegar all the time.
So here's the question. Is this easier for you to do it this way?
I will use that and I will use
I'll
the
tell you
other
what.
one.
No, because once I take that head off, put this head out, you're not going to keep taking the heads off. This is going to be bolted on. What I'm saying is just, all you do is stick this in here,
Yeah, I know.
see when it shows up there, and do the same to the other side.
Okay.
That's it.
I use the other one first. Guys, nilagyan ko ng sili, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. Roxy, no. Tignan nyo na, mag-ama. Matigas ulo ba? I see you. Get down. You and Dada, ha? You together. Two of you. Honey. Tommy. Where is the bip bip? Where is the... I don't like that. Honey. Ay, hon. Mag-ano tayo ng steak. Loto. Yung mag-thumbnail ba? Yung mag-thumbnail nakakatsama talaga. Hi guys, I am watching different YouTubers. Yung mga YouTuber na hindi ko pa napanood, pinapanood ko sila. Tinitignan ko yung mga channel nila. Yung mga YouTubers na nasa ibang lugar din, may mga asawa. At mga shoutout dyan sa mga bagong YouTubers. Hello po.
Give me a no.
Hello. The hummingbird. Tapos na tayo sa ang tawag niyan, whatever. Nagbo-broil ako ng hala. Hold on guys. Hala guys, sunog na guys. Sunog na guys. Han!
What?
You told me to put it up. Look what happened.
It's seared.
It sears it. It's burning. I see fire here.
Oh, you can lower the rack and buy one.
Yung kaibiyanan, konting salmon. Ayaw niya ng overcook, pero na-overcook yung pagkain. Ang problema nito, itong mga tao, ito sila, gusto nila yung rice may sahog. Kasi sabi pa ni Dami, walang lasa yung rice, gusto ko may sahog. Boom, jiggy, jiggy, bum, bum.
What?
Han,
Yeah.
I really want our cabinet to be white.
It ain't happening.
Huh?
Not happening.
You don't really want?
No.
Why? Explain why you don't want your
Because
cabinet.
I like wood.
You like this
I don't like
color?
destroying wood with paint. I don't like it.
I want this cabinet to be white, guys. I want my house white. Look at this.
Not happening.
Look at this. You cannot just turn around all the time saying that.
Wood should not be destroyed by paint. You do crappy wood, you cover with paint. Good wood, you don't cover with paint.
Even
So-
if I give you a lot of money.
No.
even if I give him a lot of money.
That's very wise. She gave me all sorts of good advice. Never boil the water. Don't put the lemon in the tea.
Sorry, it's overcooked.
And when someone is hurting, would you have your husband help? God, you have them to hold.
Huh?
But you can't hold them with all your
She
heart.
said a word like
As long as you hold those letters too. Oh, thank you, Mom.
This is not. That's only price fixing.
They offer you this?
That's to hold your price at a certain rate.
Really?
Yes.
And even if go up,
So
you have to
if it goes up, you pay a lower rate. That's what it is. Price.
But you don't even know how much they charge your thing.
I don't know. They don't give you. They don't give you the number. They don't give you the price number here.
And you don't know the oil prices because you don't check. So it doesn't matter. We don't need that.
Where? Why? How did it write?
No, we're leaving back. We will be back.
And not tell you future.
Don't even try. He will jump. Watch out, Han. Hala, told you.
You were so cute.
I told you. She doesn't. He knows that you're going out and he doesn't like it.
I'm so afraid of cars. I don't get it. I'm just so afraid of a car.
This too, guys, is right here. I'm doing laundry too.
I'm even the outside car. You should be afraid of.
Ihatid lang namin si Bianan sa kapatid ni Tami dun sa such a loving cat. Watch out, Han, because he pushing, and if you let go, Han, he will go.
I know that you fall.
He's such a baby. You're such a baby, little man. Yeah, lucky bug. You're lucky Dada pick you. Look at that button. Honey, look at that. You can go back. You can follow us. You can follow us. Don't be in the car. Okay? Ooh. Honey, look at that face. And he wants to know what's in here.
Of course he does.
Hmm?
Of course he does. So you know the cars are in here and you don't like that.
Bye, bug. See you later. Look at that face. And look at that face. Come here.
We'll be back. You behave. We'll be back.
Hinatid lang namin si Bianan. And Tom is looking for Freddy. Maybe we might kill that cat under my car. You sure?
What?
It's
I'm
not-
not sure. I don't see him.
It's not.
Nothing to be sure about. God.
Okay, guys, we are heading off.
We didn't leave anything right, right?
No, what did you bring? Oh shit, my hair. What did you bring?
So you don't recognize that brand of shampoo either, right?
If
Turn your
maybe
lights on. I don't think so.
no from
I don't
my
remember.
hair.
Yeah, but hon, it wasn't there before, and you haven't been there for a while. So where would it just pop up? And it's a pretty full bottle. So I figured Andrea brings her own toothpaste, toothbrushes, all that crap with her.
Yeah.
So I figured it must be her, and her mind doesn't. What?
Frog.
How cute is that?
Ay, nako, it's froggy frog afternoon, Han.
I don't see no frogs over by us.
Yeah, see, that's the first
Birds
time I saw frog.
probably,
Huh?
Birds probably grow.
Oh my god. Oops. We're home.
That's weird. Only one side was off.
Huh?
Only child lock on one side. This one was off.
Which one is child lock? Let me see. Show me what is. I don't know. You press that? You press that down?
It says lock.
Okay. The other side is not?
I just locked it.
Maybe I touch it for.
Yeah, you must have it back.
Okay. Can you close the car?
Yeah.
Okay. We are home, guys. Time check it is 10:30 na ng gabi. God, 10 o'clock na dito pa rin. Yun pa rin yung inuna. Tulog ka man eh. Daot na. It's bad?
It looks like Al.
Yeah, of course. Okay, let me see my kids. Somebody here. Going to end this vlog because andito naman tayo sa bahay. Ang lakas TV. Hindi namin pinatay yung TV kasi balik lang naman kami dito agad. Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you guys tomorrow's vlog. Bye guys. Thank you. See you night, Han. Hala.
Hi guys. See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye guys. Good night.
So rock-a-bye.